BB Naija 2021 housemates win their wager as Big Brother is impressed. Biggie had given the housemates tasks to present a drama covering Nigeria culture and tradition on Monday in the week, which led to the presentation as stipulated for Friday in the arena. The week 1 wager task presentation was different as housemates had prepared all week. This is the first BB Naija Shine Your Eye housemate tax presentation to win their wager for the week and get access to shopping in the house. The presentation started as Biggie instructed housemates to give a good show with good time management of 45 minutes. That show should not be less than 45 minutes, also shouldn't be more than 45 minutes and boring, else they would lose their wager for the week. The housemates came with show which took about 1 hour, but Biggie was pleased with the performance, gave accolades to Liquor Rose, White Money and Sammy for giving a top-notch direction. Big Brother rewarded housemates with jacuzzi party, then gave them extra abeg naira. He also instructed them to unveil their envelope containing some abeg naira that he had given them the previous day. Guys, what do you think about this first presentation from our BB Naija Shine Your Eye housemates? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if it's your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell to get info whenever a new video drops. Thanks and stay safe.